Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover Chat GPT account password. Now to begin the process, first thing you need to do is open a Google browser on your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in chat.openai.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official login page of Chat GPT. And here you click on login. Once you're at the login page, you provide your email address and then click on continue. Now once you're at this page where you need to provide the password, you need to click on forgot password to begin the recovery account password process. Click that. It will direct you to this page where you will need to provide the email address. Type in the email address in the text box and then click on continue. After that, you will be sent a mail with the instruction to reset your password. So now you open a new tab and open Gmail on your laptop or in your PC. There's the OpenAI mail, click upon that, and in this mail you need to click on reset password, which will redirect you to the new page. And here you will be able to provide a brand new password for your account. Type in the new password for your account in here, re-enter the same password as above, then click on reset password. With that, the password will be changed and the recovery process is completed. Now you can log in into the OpenAI account of yours with the updated password. On the search bar, you type in chat.openai.com and press enter. Once you're at the web page, click on login. Provide the email address of yours. Click on continue. Now provide the updated password that you have just changed. Then click on continue, and with that, with the updated recovered password, you will be able to log in into the Chat GPT account of yours. So this is how you can recover Chat GPT account. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.